When I close my eyes, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is me Shivam Thakur and you are watching Shivam Solution. This problem we are going to solve is related with profit and loss, that is we call in Nepali Nafa and Nuksan. So be careful, I will go step by step and watch till the end. This question is going to be very helpful for you. So let's get started. So first we will try to understand the question. The question is, a shopkeeper allowed 10% discount on his goods to make 20% profit. If he sold watch for Rs 10,000 and 10,000, here I have missed it, 10,170 with 13% VAT, by what percent is the discount to be increased to make only 12% profit? So this is the problem, that a shopkeeper has allowed 10% discount on his good to make 20% profit. To get 20% profit, a shopkeeper have allowed 10% discount. And if she has sold watch for Rs 10,000 with 10,000 minus 20 with 13% VAT, by what percent is discount to be increased to make only 12% profit? Here this is 20% profit and there is 12% profit. So to get only 12% profit, what is the percentage, discount percentage that he should increase? So now let's start. First we'll write here solution. Please guys watch till the end, don't miss any, don't escape. We will let MP, because the discount is allowed on MP. This is the main thing that you have to learn, that VAT is only lived on SP and discount is only allowed on MP. This just keep in mind and remember that discount is only allowed on MP and VAT is only lived on SP. So now let MP be X, discount percent here allowed is 10% discount. So we write discount equal to 10%. Now SP will, what will have LP, what will be the SP? SP will be, we have the formula of SP equal to MP minus, as the discount is here in percent, we will write MP minus discount percent of MP. If it will be in amount, we have to just write SP equal to MP minus discount. As it is in percentage, so we will write just MP minus discount percent of MP. So here MP is X and discount percent 10% of X. This will be cancelled and we will get here, this is 10X minus X by 10. This will give us 9X by 10. This is the selling price if discount is 10%. Now here we have here to make 20% profit. What he has done here, he has allowed 10% discount in order to earn 20% profit. So profit here is, what will be the cost after profit? Profit here is 20%. So CP, without knowing the CP, we can find the discount. So we have to first find CP, and we cannot find profit without getting SP and CP amount. So first we will find CP here, as here first we have to deal with profit. The first condition was, so we are just solving the first thing, that is 20%. we are dealing with these things right now. So CP will be, we have the formula of SP into 100, CP equal SP into 100, 100 plus profit percent, 100 plus profit percent. So SP is what here? SP here is 9X by 10 and 100 plus profit percent 20. So we can cancel this, and this is 90X by 120. 100 plus 20 20, and this what we have got here is, if we cancel 3 9 and 3 plus 12, 3x by 4. This is the cost price. This is the cost price. And now we have to do what? Here is this is I have just cancelled this by 3 3 9 and 3 4 are 12. And now we have here VAT. SP with VAT, we have to find here the MP, so we can know that is discount percent. So SP with VAT, SP with, we have to write here again, SP with VAT, we have formula SP with VAT, SP plus VAT percent of SP. So SP with VAT equals to, SP we have here 9x by 10 plus 13% of SP 9x by 10, and this is what we have. It is said here 20% profit, and if he sold the watch for RS with 39, if he has sold the good at 10% discount to make 20% profit, and he has, what was the VAT lived? VAT was lived 13%, and by leaving 30% VAT he has got 10,170. This is SP with VAT. What with the SP with VAT here? SP with VAT here is 10,170. He has allowed 10% discount and 20% to gain 20% profit. So this is 10,170. Or we will write here 9x by 10 plus, this will 13 into 9 117, and this is 100 into 10 1000, 10,170, or if we take the LCM here, we will get 1000 and 10 divided by 100, 10 divided by 1,100, and 9 into 100 900x plus 100,000 divided by 100,000 divided by 1,000 1, and this 117. I think you know this, how to do this. I have just taken LCM here and multiplied. First I have divided this by this, and we have just multiplied this. Now this is what we have got. Or if we add this, we will get 1017x, and this will be multiplied here, and if we multiply this by here, we will get 10,170 into 1000, or x equal to 10,170 into 1000 divided by 1017, or x equal to, we have to find here MP in order to find discount. So this will be 10,170 and 30 here, 1 2 3, and this will be divided by 1017, and so we will get here, this will be this cut, and we will get 10,000 as MP. This is the MP that was before allowing 10% discount in order to gain 20% profit, and after leaving 30% VAT. This was MP before leaving these things. Now we have to find discount percent to be increased to make only 12% profit. If you give more discount, we will gain less profit. So we have here 12% profit, and if this was what, 20% profit. So now CP, you can again, yeah, similarly CP, what was CP? CP we have shared find here 3x by 4. CP equal to 3x by 4, and after putting the value of x here, 10,000 by 4, 10,000, we will get 7,500. This is cost price. What was the cost price? This was the cost price. And if we have to gain only 12% profit, what we have to do here, we have to do here, if we have to find CP. What we should be CP in order to gain 12% profit? CP into CP. If we have to only gain 12% profit, we have to shade it in SP equal to CP plus profit percent of CP. So this and this will be cancelled, and we will get 7,500 plus 12 into 70, we will get 8,400. This is what the sharing price if we want to get 12% profit. Now what is the discount percent to be increased? Now discount percent to be increased equal to discount percent to be increased equal to now what percentage discount to be increased? So discount here we have here discount equal to MP minus SP, and MP here is what the MP we have find out X, and that is 10,000, and here the SP that we have to go if 12% profit, that is 8,400. So we will get here 1,600. This is the discount amount. We have to find discount percent. So now discount percent equal to discount amount by MP into 100%. What was the discount amount? Discount amount was 1,600, and by MP 10,000 into 100%. So this will cancel this will cancel this two, the remaining is 16%. This is the discount percent. And the before this the discount was 10%. So before this the discount was 10% to gain 20% profit, and this is now the profit percent is what? 12% only. So discount to be increased equal to discount to be increased equal to, this is 16%. 16% minus 10%. This was before to gain only 20% profit, and now we have to gain 12% profit. So 16%. This is the 16% discount. So what should be increased? What is the amount? What is the percentage should be increased? If we will subtract this from the previous discount percent, we will get what the required discount percentage to be increased. So 6%. So we will write here, or we will write therefore 6% discount should be increased to gain 12% profit. This is what we have